Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC so they can talk. First, make sure ADB drivers are installed on your computer and you have a data-capable USB cable. Once done, connect the phone. If the screen is unusable, attach an OTG adapter and mouse to enable developer options and toggle USB debugging. Otherwise, use built-in menus. Also, install any phone-specific drivers so Windows or Mac OS recognizes the device. This avoids connection failures later. Once debugging is active, you can mirror the screen. Install SCRCPY on your PC and confirm the device with a DB devices. Once seen, run SCRCPY to stream display and control. Use command options like max size and bitrate to balance quality and latency. Alternatively, forward ADB over TCP with a DB TCPIP 5555 and connect via the phone's IP if USB fails. This method gives real-time view and input, so you can navigate menus, export data, or take screenshots directly from your computer. To finish, rescue the data and safely close the session. Use a DB pull to copy critical files to your PC or enable MTP in settings and transfer media once the phone is unlocked. Make sure to close with a DB kill server and eject the device. If mirroring or ADB fails, try another USB cable or port, reinstall drivers, or use an OTG mouse to unlock the phone. One key tip: if the phone never appears in a DB devices, re-enable developer options and USB debugging using OTG input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.